What's up, party people? We already did number 1 and number 2 in class, so now we're going to do number 3. It says solve for the unknown variable on the interval where x is between 0 and 2 pi. All right, so I got number 3. It says 3 times cotangent squared x minus 1 equals 0. So you might be like, I know what tangent is, but what's cotangent? Cotangent is 1 over tangent of x, which equivalently is, if I know that the tangent of x is equal to sine over cosine, then the reciprocal of that guy, right? Cotangent is one of the reciprocal identities. The reciprocal of this would be cosine x over sine x. Okay, so now let's go. I've got 3 cotangent squared x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so you might get to this step and be like, cotangent is not on my common trig ratios chart. It is not, but we can use the rewrite where cotangent of x is equal to 1 over the tangent of x. Cross multiply and see if we can figure this guy out. You might be like, what are you talking about dividing by plus or minus 1? Well, think about it, right? I'm doing 2 things. I'm doing like the square root of 3 divided by a positive 1. That'll just give me rad 3. I'm doing the square root of 3 divided by a negative 1. That'll just give me negative rad 3. So it's essentially just saying you have plus or minus rad 3. Okay, I'm going to erase that because actually I can just scroll over. Okay. So I'm going to go on my trig chart and I'm going to locate tangent. I'm going to locate its trig ratio, and then I'm going to go up and find what angle that corresponds to. That corresponds to pi over 3. So I'm going to sketch a reference angle of pi over 3. But I need to figure out what quadrants I'm in, right? Well, I need both the positive and negative solutions. So I'm actually going to be in all 4 quadrants. So that makes it pretty easy. Now I'm just going to rotate around the unit circle, right? I've got pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3. Okay, that's going to give me this guy. And then I've got 5 pi over 3. Okay, so it's going to be down here. And then that would get me right up to 6 pi over 3, which is 2 pi. Okay, I did all my rotations. Perfect. Okay, so now I've got x is equal to pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, and 5 pi over 3. Boom.